shut him down when we ran up. Know they seen us on the cameras. He was talking shit, now he ain't saying much. Put this pole across him like it's bad luck. That's a body in the first degree. I can't have a nigga hurt some me.
These niggas is cool. Like that, bro. I can't get this shit off my head, bro. That, bro. That.
I ate that bitch.
What's up, man? It's your boy Rock, and we back with another video. Today's video, man. Today's video, man. I ain't gonna lie, that boy Ant. He just got me. I was at work, and he put some shit on my car. I'ma try to get the video of, I guess, him putting the shit on there, or try to get like a picture. I got a picture, but it's not like a good picture. I'm gonna probably picture out right now. But I'm gonna try to get the video of him putting that shit on there.
All right. Relish, we got that. So we break it at it. Right, I'm gonna tell you. Start off. Oh, he got not one of forces. Come on, give me. Yo, give me. I'm ready to disrespect the shit out of this job. Grab this dummy. Fuck Walmart. And fuck Rock.
Man, shit ain't got serious, man.
Put that shit on there, bro. I low-key feel bad for bro. Oh my God!
What you mean? Bro, you know.
But yeah, this nigga, I'm at work. He come to my job, put stuff, I don't know what it was. It was barbecue sauce, honey. I believe it was onions too. Salsa and paper towels. We about to spin back. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not even gonna get in too much to what I'm gonna do, because the first time he got me, I never got him back. I got everybody but him, and he was really the mastermind behind the whole everything. I never got him. So tonight is the night that I get him. Stay tuned. We about to get crazy, real crazy on the channel. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Permitty boys, you feel me? Y'all know how we ride. Right now we in a car wash, you feel me? Right now we in a car wash. About to spin back, so don't even worry. Don't even worry about it, you feel me? We not, you think I'm going for stuff like this? Like, it's a war. Go pray.
God bless you, dumbass.
Bitch. Yeah, man, y'all know how I feel. You feel me? I don't want to tell y'all what he's done.
Somebody in the living room. Ain't that his house right there? What? I don't got no hood.
I think he was waiting on me.
Who, Ant?
Yeah. I'm gonna holler at you in like 2 minutes. See what he try to get. Get back up there.
What I told you not to do.
You just seen him walking through the alley. You seen him in the front, seen him in the car. So right now you about to try to make a run to the car and get on up out of here, man. It's the craziest night ever.
The car right there.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. We gotta see if he looking. Unlock the car now.
Oh, you gonna see the right shit.
Hold on, wait. Oh, he put more shit on there. You see it?
Oh, yeah. Should I run down on him?
Run down. Oh no, we got swim.
More stuff on there while I was in park.
Roll the window down, man.
Oh no, I shouldn't have.
Wow.
Oh.
Open the egg, nigga. He not out here. Don't get out.
Oh, right there! Oh, I'm dead. He's there. Fuck that.
Bro, come on, bro. That's not my car, bro. You gotta work that hard, bro.
What the fuck? Hell, man, hell no. Back up.
You want that, bro? Tell him move. Tell him move. Alright, bro, we can talk this shit out.
Get right there.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you who really did it.
Get right there.
I'm gonna tell you who did it.
I'll get it.
Bro,
Get up, yo, get away.
Bro, you can't wipe that off, bro.
Get up, get up.
Bro, we rock.
We got rock this situation.
Huh?
You keep looking right there.
Bro, after all we've been through, bro,
Back
you think
up.
I'd do something like that
Back
to
up.
you, bro? You think
keep
I'd do
looking.
something like that to you, bro?
Back up.
After all we've been through, bro.
Oh, you like them bitches not cracking on you. Back
After
up.
all we've been through, bro. You think
Back
I'd do something like that, bro?
Did what?
You think I did that to his car?
Did what?
I don't know, bro.
I ain't say nothing about doing to his car.
Bro, come on, bro. Stop borrowing, bro.
Sure you want to do that?
Huh? Oh, we got it. Oh, wait, got it. Oh, yeah, give me one of the bitches. Oh, yeah. Put it fucking ticket. Hold on, dummy. He got me. He got something. Just be ready.
Back up. Wait for some warning shots. Back up. Back up.
He tried to catch it. But why you had to get me though?
Bro, because I told you I ain't doing it.
You did do it.
Now look. Chill, bro. For real, that's my sister's car.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
You can't really put shit on it. You could have got my car for that.
Where you call it?
I ain't telling nobody. I never know what my
Yo, where you car at?
I took a deep breath. I looked at my friends. I was like, it's about to go down.
I just gave y'all. For more, bro. I ain't joking. You got that? Bro, you trying to aim? Why you trying to kill me, bro?
Walk him down when we ran up. Know they seen us on the cameras. He was talking shit, now he ain't saying much. Put this pole across him like it's bad luck. That's a body in the first degree. I can't have a nigga hurt some me.
somebody sent me something on my phone and it said that I hog-tied her. I don't know how to hog-tie people. What would I hog-tie? My kids is listening to this.
We out, bro. We out.
Check my phone.
Rock the goat. Subscribe. Car should be the buzz. You feel me? This shit not gonna come overnight. You hear me? Oh. Fuck it. We ball. You hear me? I got his ass. I don't care about none of that. You hear me? That's how we coming all 2022. We applying pressure. We dropping. Excuse me. We dropping bangers, applying pressure. Everything going up. You hear me? Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'ma holler at y'all in a little bit.
These niggas is coming. Like that, bro. I can't get this shit off my head, bro. That, bro. That.
Alright, at that bitch.
It's cool cause we going up,
I can't believe it. Big block when I ain't playing no defense. Been on them boys till we get even. Walk down feet.
and we still spinning back to back to back. My friend, man, we going up on 2022, man. This the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment. My teacher just got COVID, so I might need a sub. We out.